All right, so we got Devon Jackson, defensive end. Let's check him out. He's out of Omaha, Nebraska, being recruited by Travis Williams. So let's see what he got. Let's see what kind of prospect this is. Devon Jackson, edge rusher, defensive end. Got some good time. Okay. All right, some special team action. Okay. Nice wrap up tackle. Some more special team action. Yeah, I can't tell which one he is right now because of the selection of highlight. I'm definitely guessing he was the one that made the tackle. Okay, tracked him down, got the tackle. That's good. Coming off the edge, brought the pain to the quarterback. Might want to watch out. Don't want to get no roughing the passer call. Track down the ball. That's what's up. Some more special teams. Like I said, whoever made this highlight, this point of the highlight. Okay, whoever made the highlight when you you just circled the whole entire other side of the field. I ain't know who he was. I know who he was this time though. Nice tackle, tracked down the ball. He got good ball awareness coming off the edge. All right, got past the first guy. Okay, got a hold of the quarterback, brought him down. All right, coming off the edge. Okay, stuck with it, tracked him down. Okay, that's good to see. You don't give up on plays. All right, some more special team action. Dive on the ball. Some more special team action. So okay, so he knows how to get in there on special team. Trying to get better angles so I can see technique. Oh, a nice hit, but like I said, you got to watch out for them the roughing the passes. Track down the ball carrier. Okay, definitely got the ability to get in the backfield. That's exactly what you want from an edge rusher. Know how to get passes, blocks, got speed afterwards, good acceleration. Okay, drop back. Okay, put him on his butt. Look like definitely the guy when he coming off the edge. You definitely want to get the ball out. Okay, nice force fumble. Yeah, that was the play from earlier when he caused the fumble. I think no, that was a different one. Good ball awareness. Yep, got some good ball awareness, good technique. Definitely know how to get low and tackle. Huh. Ball awareness, I give him 100, man. I give him 100 on ball awareness. Yeah, definitely know how to locate the ball carrier. Good, good. You can tell he's a good tackler. Okay, quarterback didn't let that ball go a little bit later. Would Dude can get he could definitely get penetration. That guy was like, no, you ain't finna hit me. I'm just gonna lay down. And there was another one. He's a good special team guy. Here comes another one. Locate the ball carrier. Got a piece of it. Okay. Okay, so Devon Jackson, sophomore highlights. That's all I've seen from him so far, but I like it. I see why Miami is going after this guy.